Alright, got some warm water or chicken food. Right? The chicken and the warm water. So yeah, let's up now guys. One take off. Put all them in it. And you're gonna soak with it until the yellow something will come off easy. And the yellow one guys, so I don't have a cameraman with one hand and we see? See? So come off. The practice of eating chicken foot originated in South China, where it is a traditional delicacy. It is believed that that dish was created by poor farmers who want to make the most from chicken. Yes guys, so what Gwaan there? Chicken foot well clean and nice. So I say, one thing come over it, the other thing you just use water and take it off. And chicken foot good to go. So what Gwaan there? I don't know, cut off the bottom and thing. Guys, who know them bird here? What they call blackbird? All Jamaican must know them. Well, if a Jamaican of a country, you must know blackbird. Here, I make some soup, right? As you say, we clean chicken foot, so all who don't know chicken foot clean, see you know, so the chicken foot with cow foot, just stay tuned. Serve! Serve! Not yet at all. A roasted noodle.
Huh?
A roasted noodle, hot soup.
They call it?
Roasted noodle.
Roasted noodle.
Much feed.
This can buy two.
I want more man. Yes peeps, so you chicken foot them from yesterday here. Yeah, so 2, 4, 5. And 5 chicken foot. See the cow put them here. Yeah man, and see the peas here. I'm just add some peas to it and make the thing more nicer. Yeah. So I get the pressure up and thing. Yeah. So I just add in the cow foot. Chicken foot now cut them because of my pressure, so by the pressure and thing, you don't know them mash up and thing come on well soft. Yeah, so I just add this to the stove inside. What the pressure now, they will come back side, you know, they will come outside and finish up outdoor because I'm not much cold, so I start it inside. That is it. So soon come back guys when time peas and the cow foot and the chicken foot on pressure. See if I can find some pepper down here. Down here crap that I feel like it fit. See if I can find no fitter one. Down the young, yeah. The one down is the young. So one here. Down the female fitter. Put that one there. So I'm speak on also guys. Yeah man, they might feel more fitter than the rest. And they know they fit me then, but one of them still. Yeah man peeps, so what I'm going to know. Cook. See meat fall from the bone. See, that's the bone that I know. Yeah man. This will cook. Don't even cook properly. chicken foot them basically cooked too. See? Peas ain't cook. So I add in rest of the ingredients them now. Cause by the time everything don't cook, the piece will cook. Yes, so we add in with roasted noodle, with pumpkin, with sweet potato, with carrot, with yam, with scallion and thyme and pepper, I don't know. And the Maggi season and thing, you know. See if I say there, let's put it in the cold and catch it. But I'm show you something. See there? And we're in a Jew. So we kinda contemplate if we do it out here, same way, or I don't want to finish it out here, or just go inside to finish it because we're in a Jew and I don't want the rain come down and I'm not finish. Yeah. So I'm feel like I'm gonna do just finish it inside and done because right now we're in a Jew. So I'm gonna catch it fire, start it, and run go in and the coal waste. Yes, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish inside. Rain on us. Put it in the coconut milk if you go and do the thing. Put the pumpkin and get them wash off, you know. Get the sweet potato peel up. Peel everything for the gas guy rain. Happy. Now you add it on there. Add more water in so one something clean. They might mash it now guys, so they're not got up well fine. Alright guys, so see what I'm going to do. So we have with sweet potato, with yam, pumpkin, pepper, scallion and thyme. Alright guys, so see stuff them you know. So I get them in the pot. Get everything in the pot. One time, one go. Roast on a good time. Add in some Maggi season. Alright. Alright guys. Alright, this was some jerk chicken from yesterday. We added the soup also. Yeah. I'm not sure which way I drop the video here or the video I did yesterday for make get the chicken, clean it and all that, and then jerk it. Got the video first, I'm not sure. Yeah, but in one chop first, I'm gonna see two of them. Yeah man, so I'm gonna add this to it. Yeah man guys, so add the soup this you know. Yeah. Chicken foot there, so you see chicken foot clean and cooked. And we say all over number. See your chicken foot clean. Then see it now. Yeah man, nice soup this you know. Yeah man, so I'm say chicken foot tonight. The jerk chicken night from yesterday. And the cow foot. So cow foot chicken foot soup. Eat that guys. See, so good, nice and pretty. That is it.